25. A house divided. My world was crumbling. At home, everything seemed to be collapsing. Esther Marie returned from her au pair experience in the Netherlands, broken and disillusioned. Gurik came back home, unable to find stable employment. Henny's mental and physical health were deteriorating before my eyes. The financial pressure was suffocating. Meanwhile, the financial strain intensified as Esther Marie prepared to start university in 2017, which brought huge expenses. Henny's standard response to her requests for help was, "I don't have money, ask your mother." Despite having a savings reserve, I felt repulsed by his pleas of poverty and dug deep into my credit card to keep us afloat. Seeking solace, Gurik and I attended a second family constellation session. Esther Marie declined. Emboldened by this experience, I wrote to the adoption agency on 30 December, quoting their response to my initial inquiry 10 years prior, and expressed my readiness to search for my birth mother. This newfound resolve was soon tested. The next day, Henny and I had an explosive argument, and I moved to the guest room, declaring our separation. It was 31 December 2016. I sensed that 2017 would be a transformative year. Something was about to give. I just didn't know what. As I settled into the guest room, I felt an immense surge of relief and freedom. Henny regretted the argument, but I was resolute. Esther Marie struggled with explaining my new living arrangement to her friends. As tensions within the household continued to rise, Gurik and I clashed on 4 January. I couldn't carry the financial burden of his unemployment and lack of motivation. Despite his pain and my lingering guilt, I knew he needed to take accountability for his life. Our argument ended with his decision to leave and stay with a friend. I felt tremendous relief, convinced that enabling his behavior would be detrimental. Gurik and Esther Marie had also had a traumatic clash in the jacuzzi, a sanctuary I had created to soothe my anxiety. As chaos erupted around me, Isaac's words echoed. Energies are getting unstuck. Go where the energy is. Don't resist it. Trust it. Allow it to play out. My head spun, but I treaded water, praying I wouldn't sink.